Welcome back to DIY with Teal Air Design. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to make your own duvet cover? I wondered the same. So today I'm sharing how I made mine. This is my original duvet cover that I started with. I had bought it from HomeSense. So I started by taking out the duvet and measuring it. Now this is a full/queen size, so it's roughly about 60 inches by 80 inches. I had a little bit of trouble measuring it, so I decided to take it out and lay it on the floor and throw a flat sheet over it. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to use a flat sheet and fabric. So I'm using a flat sheet on one side, and basically what I did was try to take my fabric, which was about 5 meters that I had of fabric, and cut the fabric so that it was equivalent to the same dimensions as the flat sheet. Now I also had to cut the flat sheet as well, and like I showed you, I basically took the flat duvet cover and laid everything down on the ground. I decided to cut the fabric lengthwise, as you saw in the last portion of the video, and then I cut my fabric into 3 equal panels. And then there you can see I laid it on the ground for you. Then I took some T-pins and pinned the fabric together, because now that you've got your fabric pieces, you're going to sew them together. Now I'm going to show you how to make the shams to go with your duvet cover. I cut my fabric into 3 sections, so I'm basically copying the same design as the original duvet cover shams that I had that came with my set. Once I had them cut out into 3 pieces, I basically wanted to create a opening for where the pillow can go into. Start by sewing down the sides to hem the 2 smaller portions that I just showed you. And then you're going to sew right around the perimeter of the sham. Flip it right side out. And there you can see you've got a hole for where your pillow can go into. And then you're going to take the sewing machine around again and create a border. Now the only thing I haven't shown you how to do is how to actually close your duvet. And there are a couple different options that you can do for this. 1, you can sew buttons. 2, you can use Velcro. Or 3, you can just hand stitch it closed. And there you have it, your very own custom-made duvet cover set.